large Regency Revival, triple pedestal mahogany dining table. An exceptional dining table of grand proportions. The top is supported by 3 substantial pedestals, each raised on elegant sabre legs with crisp carved decoration. Retaining 2 additional leaves, the table can be configured to suit a variety of room sizes and occasions, from everyday dining through to large-scale entertaining. The triple pedestal construction provides excellent stability while ensuring generous legroom for diners. Measuring 83.5 inches wide in its standard configuration, the table provides generous dining space. Visit our website to explore more.